another family staycation. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Central Park Reef Resort. Dito yan sa Subic, Zambales. And of course, ayun nga, we're here for our family staycation to celebrate my brother's birthday. And we're here with the whole family. So, samahan niyo kami sa aming magiging family adventure for this weekend. Hello guys, so time check. Ano oras na? It's 12:30 and nasa Pampanga pa lang kami. 1 hour pa. Let's go!
A few moments later.
We're here! Finally! Checking in sa aming hotel. Dito lang yan sa
Hotel Trivago.
Central Park. Oh, dami tao. Alright, we're here. Daddy, where are we?
I don't know, I'm lost.
Wow! Hi, Lola! Lola, hello! Nasaan po tayo ngayon?
Nandito sa hotel.
Hotel? Hi! Ano, pagod ka na sa biyahe? Okay. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang lobby. So, madaming upuan. Tapos ito yung sofa nila. While waiting for check-in. Diyan kayo mag-check-in dito sa area natin. And then, ito, may pwede pang waiting area. Tapos, dito lang din yung kanilang pool area. Ngayon kasi it's already 6 o'clock kaya close na yung access dito. So hanggang 6 o'clock siya. Bukas try natin. Tapos yun niya, ito yung isa pang maganda sa lobby nila. Yung pag may sa taas. Okay. So tara, tingnan natin yung ibang rooms and floors dito. Let's go. May mga nag-selfie ng mga parental. Picture ako naman tayo. Ano ba yan?
Hey, so vlog takeover. What am I doing today? I'm doing nothing. I'm just recording a video of myself doing nothing. I'm hungry. Let's go.
Where, so anong floor to?
We are currently on the 6th floor.
Okay, anong meron dito?
Ano makikita natin guys? Yan, check nyo. Retro look.
Yes.
Para tayo sa mga American diner.
Uh-huh.
American diner such as...
Lakad sila.
I do not know actually. Pero mata parang may mga lumang... Mga lumang... Ano ba
Una na
tawag
kayo?
dito? Music box? Joke box?
Mhm.
I think.
Sige, doon ka. Lakad ka pa.
Then, syempre. Sana maganda kung uminom tayo later. Meron
Yes, sir.
band. Dito may pool, medyo nagalitan. Sucks lang. Gusto yung bar.
Yan,
Paano okay na
yung
dito
bar
mag-try?
area niya. Oh.
Shit, it's scary.
May na rin dito mag-dinner pala.
Okay lang.
Okay, let's go. Hi.
So bukas na laban natin yung last nito I guess. Hindi ba tayo kakain?
Awa. Okay. Let's go. So ngayon, mag-room tour tayo. Nakita natin yung mga room. So ito yung unang room. Hello!
Welcome to our room.
Please have a, tour us sa inyong room. Okay, mom? Ano meron?
Here we are in their bathroom.
with
Toiletries.
toiletries like toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, soap.
Okay. Kasi ito yung inyong ano. And then, ito yung shower area. Ooh.
Use towels, blow dry.
Okay.
Hindi na sasara yung CR natin.
Hi! Hello, Lala! How are you? Hi, Lola Lil! Diyan kayo, magkatabi. Ito naman yung isa pang room. Room tour ka, dali. Shh, mag-room tour ka. Ayun. Ganun din. So, may dalawang queen size beds. Tapos, may ref. May tao sa CR. Mga lalagyan. May cabinet. Ayun. Tapos yung CR ganun din. Is it the same? Yeah, I think so. And then, may veranda. Na ito yung view. Okay. Bye. And then, our last room. Ito yung room namin. Hi! Room tour.
Hi.
Go! Don't be shy. Okay? Actually, parehas lang kami. Tatlong rooms yung binook namin na gano'n. So, ito yung room namin. Ito yung CR. Then, ito yung shower area. Look at that. Okay. And then...
Okay, so welcome sa
Ayan,
ating
sige,
room.
mag-tour ka. Makagulat ka.
Hello,
Ako, nasa-tour ako.
oh, kalakay ka.
Hindi, ayoko na.
Ah.
This is our crib.
Ano masasabi mo sa room?
Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Big naman siya. For 4.
Up. Up.
Kasi ako inuwi.
Up.
Ay! Open mo.
Hindi. Walang ano.
Yung pala natin kami. Dito yan. Central Park Reef Hotel. Room service. Ano bibigyan? Ano bibigyan? Pwede ba room tour? Ha? So, ito yung room nila. Please do the honors to do the... So, ito yung room nila. Same lang pala tayo. Ano?
Okay, oh.
Oh, wait. Mag-room tour ka lang. Ikaw.
Meron siyang sariling briefing.
Wait lang, may briefing kami.
Thanks mo.
Facial wash, toothpaste. Kamin lang to.
B-roll.
Wait lang, ikaw yung dalawang visitors, i-disinfect mo na. Hindi namin alam kung sino gagawin.
Si Mara, i-disinfect mo yan.
Bawal ba si Eras dito?
Hindi, joke lang.
Ay, mag-room tour mo si Daniel dali.
Ayan, so kasi syempre lagi kami prepared. So, wala kaming tiwala sa mga bibigay namin. Meron kami sarili namin. Kahit meron din kami sarili namin panligo. As you can see, travel essentials.
Oh, wow.
Shampoo conditioner. Lifebuoy.
Such
Safe.
awesomeness.
He said,
Sa corner, wala ba dyan?
O ano, minutes na room nyo. Paki-explain.
Amazing.
Sir Alan.
May gym, meron.
May lang pinagpapawisan na siya.
Where's the mini gym?
Meron kaming cafe.
Wow.
Overlooking the...
Busy, bustling city. Yan, may cafe. Pwede din may massage. Pwede
May
din-
massage.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Meron kaming nirerenta ang workspace para sa mga work.
Wow.
WH,
May workstation.
Yung WFH, hindi lang siya work from home, work from hotel.
Wow, it's nice, it's nice.
May bar.
Such amenities.
Yes, tsaka meron din kami dito ng baggage counter. Pwede nyo iwan dito.
Taray.
Cool.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you, Sir Alan.
Rashai sir. Salamat.
So, yun yung app. Kami, tatlong ganun yung room na binang namin. Punta natin yung kailan sa Telan. Kasi ilan ba yun? So bali 4 yung room namin na double. Ayan na.
Bows hallway.
Tita, pwede mag-room tour?
Yes.
Can you tour us?
Of course.
Okay.
Come inside
Asan yung
first.
ilaw? Ay! Wala na. Yan lang po yung ilaw.
Yeah.
Okay, tita. You'll be the host for today.
Welcome to room 102.
Okay,
Panis.
starting with...
The bathroom.
Oh wow.
Ay, chinelas po yung...
Same as your bathroom, we have the toilet bowl, the bidet,
Okay.
the lavatory,
Okay.
the toiletries
Oh,
with
wow.
pay.
With pay. And...
Some toiletries without pay. And the shower cubicle.
Okay.
So I'm very sure that this is very similar to your room.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. But
But
we
What?
have only one bed,
Wow.
unlike yours.
Yeah, we have 2 beds. This is a
Okay.
king-size bed.
And you don't have a
Sala.
sexy 60 with you. I have one with me here in the room.
And then what else?
What else?
What's your
We
view?
have a couch.
Oh, you have a couch over there.
Over there, so walk.
Okay. Wow, what's
Wow.
your view?
let's check the view.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Ito ang the best view.
Wait.
Oy wow.
Ay, ang ganda pala doon.
With the view of the beach.
Ang ganda.
Oh, open.
nice.
Joke.
Sige, wag na. Teka lang.
You may want to go
Paano po ba ito?
inside.
Here,
the-
here's the door.
Wow.
You also have a balcony.
Pero, street view. Wow. Ganda.
Wow.
Ano po ba ito? Bay? Sea? Beach? Beach po, di ba?
Sea view. I don't know.
It's beach.
Ano
Ocean
talaga?
view.
Ocean view. Tama. Okay.
Okay,
Ganda.
cool.
This is the best view. Ah!
The two. The other two, Charlene and Alex, don't like to stay with
with
the
the
rentals.
with the
They want to
parental.
stay with the younger
Because they will be under
Peeps.
parental guidance.
Parental
Yeah.
guidance.
Okay. What other amenities do you have?
amenities.
Yes.
Amenities.
Like the drawer and the ref.
We have a executive
Ah, this is a nice chair.
And let's see. I don't know what's inside. There's nothing inside.
Nothing inside.
May ganda ba tayo?
Just
Nah,
a
we don't have this type of chair.
Regular chair
study
lang.
table and an executive chair. Chiller.
Oh. With
With
pay.
drinks.
With paid
With
drinks.
pay.
Yeah.
With chips. With pay.
Okay.
Complimentary water and cup and saucer for the coffee.
Coffee.
But I don't see the there.
There.
Oh wow.
There. Do you have coffee?
I'm sure. I haven't checked.
You have sugar, instant.
Oh, where's the
Coffee
coffee?
and
Oh,
cream.
here's the coffee.
My goodness. One for each. Okay. So that's all we have here.
Thank you for the warm
Enjoy your stay too.
room tour.
See you later.
You have this one?
We don't have a safe.
The safe. You have.
We're
one
unsafe.
here. So you're unsafe.
have a vault.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for the room tour. That's it for the room tour, guys. So mamaya i-tour namin kayo dun sa hotel, yung swimming pool and everything. Mag-chill-chill lang muna kami.
The following day.
Good morning, guys. So day 2 namin dito sa Subic. And ngayon, mag-breakfast lang kami and then mag-swim kami dito sa pool area nila. Infinity pool overlooking the beach. Let's go!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate.
Hello! So we're checking out. Check out na kami. And mag-lunch na lang kami ulit dito sa Subic and then we're going home. So ito na talaga yung last stop namin dito. Royal. Beautiful. Shopping time. Daddy, what are you gonna buy?
Nothing.
You're gonna pay. Oh, mami, 1 minute kung anong kaya mo makuha at malagay dyan, babayaran ko lahat. Pero 1 minute lang, ha? Timer starts now. Joke. So that's it for our Subic adventure. Sobrang quick, overnight trip lang, family trip dito sa Subic. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.